Does this sound like you? You've created your Vendblue account, you've added a product, you've shared it, but no one is buying. You feel stuck, the dream of making regular money feels far away. Maybe you've tried everything you could think of, posting on Facebook groups, sharing on social media, maybe even texting your friends. You put in the work, but nothing seems to stick. The sales aren't coming in, and now you're asking yourself, can I even do this? What if you didn't have to guess anymore? What if you could learn a step-by-step system that actually brings buyers to your products consistently? That's exactly what the Vendblue Accelerator Program is. It's a hands-on program that teaches creators like you how to run ads that convert, get more people seeing your products, and turn your store into a real source of income. Inside the Accelerator Program, you will get step-by-step lessons on how to create ads that actually bring buyers to your store, ready to use ad templates and strategies so you don't have to guess what works, live sessions and guidance from successful creators who have scaled their stores, and a community of creators learning, testing, and growing together. Creators who follow this program see real measurable results, more clicks, more orders, and consistent revenue coming in week after week. Some started from zero and quickly hit milestones they never thought was possible. Joining is simple. If you're a Vendblue premium user, you will automatically have access, and if you're not a premium user yet, upgrade today and get instant access to lessons, ad templates, and our supportive community. Stop guessing, stop struggling, learn how to run ads that actually work, get your products in front of the right buyers, and start building a store that sells. Click the link below to get access.